I'll try. You
Yeah.
do it like that.
This is a new experiment
Yes.
for everything from making the dough, making the wrapper, to put the fillings in.
Yes.
It's fun. This is like a hands-on craft work.
This is a nice craft work. Yeah.
And you can eat it afterwards
Oh,
too.
Yes.
You enjoyed it too.
Yes.
It's not doesn't look like Lisa's.
That's okay. You two look so serious. You are really in serious business.
Yes. Hi there.
Hello.
I'm trying to be serious because I'm gonna learn this.
Yeah.
It's not
I
exactly.
cannot do like Lisa like this.
That's
It's not
okay.
exactly as beautiful
It's
as
okay.
Lisa's, but I try my
Oh,
best.
that-
Yeah,
takes so
that's
long.
not bad. That's not bad.
There. I made two.
It takes so long the way if I try one of this day, I'm gonna
Oh, still have a lot of feeling.
That's
Yeah.
okay. So you two are getting better. See, Sarah is like a pro now.
Yes. Yes.
Yeah, sure. Wait, go away. Go away.
Yeah, somehow there's a fly kicking.
Oh yeah, when you open
You
the
smell
door.
the meat.
Yeah, when you open the door.
And see, Minda is doing pretty good too.
Oh well, practice, right?
Yes.
This is my how many?
Practice, make you
But
perfect.
it's not perfect. It's not even.
That's okay. If
seems
you
like-
make a couple of times, you will have a
It seems
good
like
grip of it.
some other part is not. It's not the inside is not even.
Huh? It's okay.
Yeah. It's
Later
thin.
on, it's
Look, they have made a few.
It's
They
thin.
you have made quite a few. So this batch is the first batch we are going to consume.
Sarah is so strong when she does this. Look, the markings. Press so hard.
That's what Lisa said.
She's
Press hard.
squeezing it too hard.
Yeah.
Lisa.
Put in your palm.
This is
Put in your
so awkward.
That's okay. Well, it's the first time you made it, right?
Yeah.
It's not like you have been doing it. You didn't do it as long as I did, right?
Yeah, true.
Yeah. I have been practicing all my life,
Your life, yes.
since I was like 10 years old.
I think you said that in your video.
Yeah.
Doing it all your life.
That's not
It's
bad.
not perfect.
No, it's not bad. Shoot the video and
Yeah.
just a ladies afternoon making dumplings together. How's that? And Minda said I look sexy.
Yeah. Yes. Oh, sorry. You look sexy with your outfit.
Yeah, with my
I
outfit.
think you have too much.
With my
meat.
apron.
Maybe this is less.
That's too much, I think.
No, it's okay. I think it's okay.
It's okay. It's okay. Well, it's an experiment,
It's
right?
okay.
I experimented with all
Right,
kinds
Rick?
of
It's
things.
okay.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so
And
they
then
There.
No,
That
not
is
yet.
not
Not yet.
there.
Let it
Oh,
go.
my God.
you can tell that
Dumplings.
it's ready.
You can
Oh, it's not as.
you can see it's
Oh.
hardened up a little bit more.
Okay.
Now it's soft. When you flip, it's
Oh,
broken and
okay.
it's difficult.
Oh,
so
it's
it's
not-
still,
Yeah.
it's okay.
It's not. I didn't fill it properly, but hey,
That's okay.